So let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 1 of chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. And in this session we are going to learn about how to measure the line segment and the angles, only two types of angles, that is right angle and straight angle. Okay, so let us start with the first topic, line segment. Already we have studied this topic in the previous chapter. So this is a recapitulation. ये केवल recapitulation है. So what we did in that one, we have taken one thick paper and folded it, okay, as shown in this figure. We folded it from here, and after folding, what we observe that it gives an idea of line segment. Okay, the crease left out, जब fold किए हम लोग तो वहाँ पे जो crease formed हुआ, that gives the idea of line segment. Okay, the crease left on the sheet represents a line segment and it has two endpoints, A and B. A line segment has negligible thickness, and let us see, consider 2 points A and B on a plane. The straight path from A and B. Okay, we are going to take 2 points A and B, and the straight path from A and B, okay, joining these 2 points A and B is a line segment AB. Okay, the straight path from point A to B is called the line segment AB, and it is denoted by AB के ऊपर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, ठीक है, और उस लाइन में कोई भी एरो मार्क नहीं होगा. And A and B are called the end points of the line segment. So the line segment AB is the same line segment BA. उसको हम लोग AB भी लिख सकते हैं और BA भी लिख सकते हैं. See this figure, right? We have drawn from A to B, right? Now we are going to learn about how to measure line segments. So next topic is measuring line segments. So this is the actual topic. So a line segment is a fixed portion of a line. So it has a definite length. Okay, this makes it possible to measure a line segment. And this measure of each line segment is a unique number called its length. Okay, उसमें एक term हम लोग use करेंगे length. And we use this idea to compare the two line segments, to compare many line segments. And to compare any two line segments, we find a relation between their length. And this can be done in many ways. So some of the ways we are going to learn today. So first is comparison by observation, right? So this method is very easy, but it is not suitable for all the examples. Now look at the two line segments in figure A. So by observation, you can easily identify which is longer. Which is longer here?
Sir, AB.
Right.
AB.
Okay. AB is longer. AB is longer, right? So by just looking at them, we can say that AB is longer than CD. लेकिन कुछ figures ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें direct देख के बोलना it is very difficult. Okay, but this is not the case every time. See this figure. They are almost looking equal. So in that cases, this method will not be going to work. Okay, so this time by just looking at them, we cannot say which one is bigger. So now next method is comparison by tracing. So we can also compare the two line segments, say any two line segments. We can take MN or RS by tracing one of them on tracing paper and placing it on the other. So the line segments can be easily compared. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक लाइन को ट्रेस करके दूसरे के ऊपर सुपर इम्पोज करेंगे. Okay, suppose these are two lines. So what we will do, we will take the tracing paper and we will make the replica, duplicate बनाएंगे इसका, and we will superimpose on RS. इसके ऊपर हम लोग superimpose करेंगे. Okay, अगर वो exactly coincide हो गया, if MN overlaps completely on RS, कैसे M के ऊपर R आ गया और N point के ऊपर S आ गया, so we will say MN is equals to RS. If suppose MN falls short on RS, ऐसे MN जो है RS में short हो गया, तो MN definitely छोटा होगा तभी वो short हो रहा है. So in this way we can identify that MN is less than RS. अगर MN बाहर आ गया, जैसे RS से बाहर आ गया, right? So in this case we will identify that MN is longer than RS. So this is the way to compare the two lines by tracing. Okay, now the very important method, the next method is comparison using ruler and a divider. So this is the ruler and it is divided into 15 parts. Take a 15 parts. Each of this part, see यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक 15 equal parts में divide है. Each part is called 15 equal parts. I am talking about 15 equal parts. Each part is called 1 centimeter. Okay. Again 1 centimeter. See, this is 1 centimeter. Again 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is called 1 millimeter. Okay. Now, for measuring the length, any length, say AB, what we will do, we will place this 0, point A on the 0. Okay. And place the 0 mark of the ruler at the starting point of the line segment, that is A. And what we will do, we will keep the ruler parallel. ऊपर नीचे नहीं करेंगे. We will keep the ruler parallel to and along the line segment. See this figure. And then read the mark against the end point of the line segment, that is B, and we are getting 8. Here we 8. Okay, so AB is equals to 8 centimeter. In this way we have to measure the line segments. And all of you have your geometrical box. In geometrical box there are many geometrical instruments. So see this one. This is pair of compass in order to draw circular figures, and this is a divider. This we are using now, and this is ruler, and these two are, what is this? These two are
scale.
नहीं अरे scale तो
Set square.
Very good. Set square, right? And this is, what is this?
Protractor.
Very good, protractor. And this
Protractor.
is eraser.
Protractor.
This is eraser and this is sharpener, and this is pencil. Okay, so these are the किसी का mic on है देखो. These are the geometrical instruments which is available in the geometrical box. Okay, so now we are moving towards measuring a line segment using a ruler and divider both. So suppose two line segments are given, AB and CD, whose lengths are to be measured. These are the two line segments. So what we will do, we will हम लोग को compare करना, measure करके compare करना है. We will place the divider at one pointer at A and another pointer on B. Okay, like that. Then without disturbing the opening, lift the divider, निकाल लो, and place it on a ruler in such a way that one pointer of the ruler is at the 0 mark of the ruler, and the other pointer we have to measure through the other pointer. See this one, एक 0 पे रखें और दूसरा पॉइंट यहाँ पर आ रहा है, this one. तो 6 के बाद कितना इक्वल स्केल है देखो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, राइट, वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 6.8 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, now read the mark against the other pointer. This gives the length of AB, and thus AB is equals to 6.8 centimeter. Similarly, we have to measure the CD. Okay, CD is equals to 4 centimeter. So we'll conclude that AB is greater than CD in this way. Okay, so this is the method to measure the line segment using divider and to compare the two line segments. Now we are going to start first exercise, exercise 5.1. Let us start with the first question. What is the disadvantage in comparing line segments by mere observation? So mere observation में हम लोग क्या है ना, by mere observation chances of errors due to improper weaving are more. अब मैं मान लो बहुत साइड से देखा तो एक लाइन सेगमेंट थोड़ा लंबा दिख गया. So that is the case, it may occur. So by measure observation chances of errors due to improper weaving are more. Okay, and this is the first question. Now we are moving toward the second question. Why is it better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segments? So while measuring the length of a line segment, it is better to use a divider because with a ruler there may be error due to thickness of the ruler and angular weaving. Okay. While measuring the length of a line segment, it is better to use a divider, because with a divider, with a ruler, there may be errors due to thickness of the ruler and angular weaving. So this is the second question. First question ऐसी general question है. Uh, Questions are not much important. Now the third question. Draw any line segment say AB. Take any point C lying in between A and B. Measure the lengths of AB, BC and AC. Is AB equal to AC plus CB? चलो, yes. Answer is yes, because C lies in between A and B. चलो, ये एक फिगर हम लोग ले रहे हैं. A, B के बीच में C है. Now we are going to measure this one and this one, these two lines. Suppose this are equals to 3.5 and 3.5. And now if we measure this one, the whole length AB, we are getting 7, right? So now what is AC plus BC? 3.5 plus 3.5, we are getting 7. So that
Yes,
means
sir.
this is correct. So C lies between A and B, right? Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 4. If A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB is equals to 5 centimeter and BC is equals to 3 centimeter and AC is equals to 8 centimeter, which one of them lies between the other two? So it's very simple. First you have to identify the sum of which number is equals to which side is equals to which two sides is equals to the third side. So see 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या ऑप्शन मिल रहा है? ए बी प्लस बी सी इज इक्वल्स टू ए सी मिल रहा है. देखो 5 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू, सो यहाँ पे कौन सा पॉइंट कॉमन है इन दोनों में? बी.
B.
राइट. सो बी लाइज बिटवीन ए सी. अगर मान लो हम लोग को ऐसा मिलता है ए सी प्लस बी सी इज इक्वल्स टू ए बी. सपोज वी आर गेटिंग दिस वन. ये भी एक पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है. So if this possibility is there, now see which point is common here. C. So that means C lies in between AB. अगर BC AB plus BC no AB plus AC is equals to BC आ गया, right? Suppose we are getting this one. So कौन सा point common है इन दोनों में?
A.
ए. सो बी सी के बीच में ए है. सो ये तीन पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. सो यहाँ पर देखो सबसे पहले ए बी प्लस बी सी दैट इज 5 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 8 सेंटीमीटर. सो बी लाइज इन बिटवीन द अदर टू. राइट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेरीफाई वेदर डी इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए जी. सो दिस इज द फिगर. D is the midpoint of AG or not. So सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? A से G तक पूरा लेंथ हम लोग निकालेंगे, राइट? वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द लेंथ बिटवीन A एंड G. ये वाला लेंथ हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. देखो कितना 6 आ रहा है. अब A से D तक 3 और D से G तक भी 3 आ रहा है. देखो 1 2 3. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. That means D is the midpoint of AG, because AD is equals to DG is equals to 3 units. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Right. Now we are moving toward question number 6. If B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where A, B, C, D lie on a straight line, say why AB is equals to CD. सबसे पहले देखो यहाँ पे B is the midpoint of AC दिया हुआ है, right? देखो एक मिनट. A, C and B is the midpoint of AC. This is B, midpoint. Okay, so AB is equals to BC and it is given C is the midpoint of BD. तो इसको थोड़ा से लाइन को और एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं हम लोग, राइट? सो हम लोग को यहाँ तक एक्सटेंड कर लेते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज D. B, A, B, C, D are on a straight line. Why? Because AB is equals to BC and BC is equals to CD will imply AB is equals to CD. ठीक है? देखो यहाँ पर ये दोनों जो लाइन है, these two lines are equal to the same line BC. So that is why these two are equal. Right. Now 7th question. Draw 5 triangles, any 5 triangles, and measure their sides. Check in each case if the sum of the lengths of any 2 sides is always less than the third side. So एक मैं already draw करके रखा हूँ. So these are the 5 triangles. So we'll check one by one. देखो यहाँ पर ये दोनों का sum 10.4 है, which is greater than 5.2 third side. And if we take the sum of this two also 10.4, वो भी 5.2 से बड़ा है. So यहाँ पे what we are observing, the sum of any 2 side is greater than third side. चलो second figure में देख लेते हैं. 15 plus 8 23, it is greater than third side. 17 plus 8 25, it is greater than third side. 17 plus 15 32, it is greater than third side 88 centimeter. So this is, in this also we are seeing the same observation, the sum of any 2 side is greater than the third side. Okay, now let us move toward the third triangle. 9 plus 15 24, greater than the third side 10 centimeter. 15 plus 10 25, greater than the third side 9 centimeter. 9 plus 10 19, greater than the third side 15. So here also what we are observing, the sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third side. Now the fourth figure, 8 plus 5 13, greater than the third side. 5 plus 5 10, greater than the third side, that is 8 centimeter. And last combination is also same. So in this also we observe that the sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third side. अब लास्ट वाला बच गया 10 10, और इसका वैल्यू होगा, एक अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू मैं लिख रहा हूँ, एक्चुअल में इसका 10√2 होता है 14.14. ओके, अप्रोक्सीमेट में लिख रहा हूँ 14.14 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. Now 10 plus 10 is 20, which is greater than the third side, and 14.14 plus 10 24.14, greater than 10. So in all the 5 triangles we observe that the sum of any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. This is clear to all of you? 7th question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we are moving towards the next question, that is next topic. Okay, already this we have studied in the previous chapter. This is a recapitulation of the previous chapter. उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे measuring of angle. Okay, so let us start with the definition. An angle is formed by 2 rays having common initial point, okay, which is called vertex. See this figure. This point, this is common point of these 2 rays, and these are called arms. Okay, these the rays are called arms of the triangle angle. Okay, this is vertex and this is arm, and this is angle. This is angle. Clear? This we have already studied. Now how to name this angle? So next is, see, angles are present in our day-to-day life also. When we see this Caesar, some angle is formed between these two. Okay, and you can see the corner of your room, corner में भी एक angle form हो रहा है. ठीक है. So now the next topic is naming an angle. Any 2 point, one on each of the 2 arm. See, यहाँ पे A है और यहाँ पे B है, right? Along with the vertex can be used to name the angle. The angle shown in the figure is written as angle AOB, and it is read as angle AOB. Okay, so we observe that the common vertex we used to write always in between, in middle. So common initial point, the vertex O is written in the middle. So अगर हम लोग इसको BAO लिखेंगे या ABO लिखेंगे, that will be wrong, because O is the vertex and it should be in the middle. Okay, it also can be written as angle BOA, but writing ABO or angle BAO is incorrect. So now we are moving toward the measurement of angle. And which instrument we are using to measure an angle?
Protractor.
Very good, protractor. So protractor, this is a protractor. A protractor showing in this figure is an instrument used for measuring a given angle. Okay, or constructing an angle of the given magnitude. Angle measure करने के लिए भी use करते हैं और angle draw करने के लिए भी use करते हैं. So it is a semicircular in shape and is usually made of transparent plastic so that marking are visible. ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं रहेगा तो मार्क करना मुश्किल रहेगा, right? So that is why it is a transparent plastic, so that the marking are visible when it is placed over arms of an angle, and it has degree marked on the curved edges from 0 degree to 180 degree, okay, on the inner scale, and from 180 to, ध्यान से देखो, inner scale में यहाँ पर ये वाला इनर स्केल है 0 to 180, क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा उसको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मेजर करते हैं एंगल को, और जब क्लॉकवाइज मेजर करेंगे तो 0 to 180 डिग्री, ओके, which enables us to read the measure of an angle or construct an angle of the given measure, okay. So it is clear from the given figure the angle AOB at the center, see, angle AOB at the center in a semicircle is 1/2 of the complete revolution. This one, this full angle AOB, okay. ये पूरा का पूरा जो हाफ है, वन फुल रेवोल्यूशन कितना होता है 360 डिग्री, सो फुल का हाफ मींस हाफ इनटू 360, इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री, okay. So the angle around the center of a circle, complete angle, is 360 degree. Now we are moving toward the next topic, measuring an angle using protractor. So suppose we have to measure angle AOB. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will place a protractor so that the center is exactly coincide on the vertex O. हम लोग जो सेंटर जो है प्रोट्रैक्टर का जो सेंटर है वो O से हम लोग coincide करेंगे, और जो OB लाइन है, ओके, एंड द बेस लाइन जो है वो OB लाइन के ऊपर coincide करेंगे. सी दिस वन, ये वाला एंगल था एक्चुअल में, दिस इज द एक्चुअल एंगल. सो O we have placed on the center of the protractor, and OA या OB on the baseline, and then we will measure point B, ठीक है, OB किस डिग्री में ओवरलैप कर रहा है, and starting with 0 degree mark of the scale lying on OA, we read the mark anti-clockwise for inner scale. देखो inner scale जो है वो anti-clockwise मतलब इस डायरेक्शन में, राइट, क्लॉक ऐसे घूमता है तो इसको क्लॉकवाइज बोलते हैं, इसका रिवर्स एंटी-क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन बोलते हैं, ओके. थ्रू विच द आर्म OB passes, it passes through 60 degree, देखो यहाँ पे 60 डिग्री, so that means angle AOB is equals to 60 degree. So in this way we have to measure an angle, okay. So now we are going to study two types of angles, one is right angle and another is straight angle. The remaining different types of angles we'll see in the next sessions. So, and what is right angle? An angle whose measure is equals to 90 degree, okay. So this is an example. You can see the corner of your house, corner of your room, it is a right angle, okay. And what is straight angle? Angle of measure 180 degree is called a straight angle, okay. So this is an example of 180 degree. Now we will see the directions. How many directions are there? 4 directions, right, north, south, east and west. See, and all these directions are perpendicular to each other. North south जो है west east से perpendicular है. Perpendicular means ये जो perpendicular lines हम लोग देखे थे, so lines, if the two lines intersect at 90 degree, then they are called perpendicular lines. So this is also 90, this is also 90, and this is also 90. So all are right angles, okay. So Jammu is to the north of Delhi, and Kolkata is to the east, and Rajkot is to the west, and Cochin to its south. Like that we will decide the direction. Suppose we are facing towards north, okay, we are facing the north, so diagram we will make like that. Now when we when we turn right angle towards east, तो यहाँ से हम लोग यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे, ठीक है, इस डायरेक्शन में आ जाएंगे, ईस्ट डायरेक्शन ये वाला है, राइट, यहाँ से यहाँ तक टर्न कर लिए हम लोग. नाउ वी आर फेसिंग ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. Suppose one more right angle if we turn, so where we will face?
South.
Very good. By another right angle turn, you finally face
East,
south.
west.
South, not west. Okay, right. So now see, from facing north, अब सपोज यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या किए, यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या किए, एक एक राइट एंगल हम लोग टर्न किए. अगर हम लोग दो राइट एंगल्स एक साथ टर्न करेंगे, राइट, फ्रॉम फेसिंग नॉर्थ टू फेसिंग साउथ यू हैव टर्न बाय टू राइट एंगल्स, राइट. तो मान लो दो राइट एंगल्स है, तो 1 2. नाउ वेयर वी आर फेसिंग
The south.
south, right. So the turn from north to south is by two right angles, and it is called a straight angle, that is 180 degree. And now NS is a straight line. Okay. Now if suppose we are facing south, अभी वापस यहाँ ये वाला डायग्राम, अभी हम लोग मान लो साउथ को फेस कर रहे हैं, this direction, in this direction we are facing. Now we are turning two right angles, 1 2. Now where we will face?
North.
Yes, north. The turn from south to north is by straight angle, that is two right angle. Okay, so turning by two straight angles, अगर हम लोग north से start कर रहे हैं, if we turn two straight angles, where we will face again?
360 complete angle.
Complete. We will face again north side. Okay, turning by two straight line angles in the same direction makes a full turn. This one complete turn is called one revolution. Okay, and angle for one revolution is complete angle, that is equals to 360 degree. Okay,
360 degree.
right. Now we are going through some following figures which will tell the number of degrees in angles of standard rotation. Okay, so suppose this is the initial position 0 degree. If suppose we are moving one right angle, okay, one right angle हम लोग कैसे मूव करेंगे, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, राइट. सो ये हो जाएगा 1/4 ऑफ रोटेशन, दैट इज 90 डिग्री. सो try to remember 90 degree means 1/4 of rotation, right. Again one more right angle turn, it will make 180 degree, that is half rotation. Again one more right angle turn, it will it gives 270 degree, and 270 degree is nothing but this is 3/4 of rotation. Okay, and finally when we turn 90 degree again we'll get full rotation, that is one complete rotation 360 degree. This figure is clear?
Sir.
Okay, fine. Now this can be you can analyze the same thing in clock also. Okay, so the following diagram shows the angle formed by the rotation of the minute hand of a clock starting at 12. Right, now we are going to see the rotation round the clock. So 90 degree 1/4 rotation is when it will move from 12 to 3. Okay, 12 to 3. इसको quarter means 1/4. So 1/4 rotation बोलेंगे. अगर अभी 3 से फिर 6 पे आ गया, right, 3 पे 6 आ गया, तो half rotation 1/2. Okay, now again if it will move from 6 to 9, ठीक है, 6 to 9, तो 270 degree होगा, that is 3/4. 3/4 means 3/4, 270 degree. Again when it will come back to 12, it will complete one full rotation, right, one revolution, that is one complete rotation 360 degree. Okay, so now we are going to see some questions. How many minutes divisions are there on a clock face? How many minutes divisions are there on a clock face? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Okay, right. How many minutes are there from 12 to 1?
5.
5 minutes. Very good. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
What is the measure of the angle when the minute hand turned through in moving from 12 to 1? See this 30 degree. I will explain. अभी 12 में है minute hand, next में यहाँ पर आ गया. Okay, so it will move 30 degree. How it will move 30 degree? See, we know that full rotation is 360. So what we will do? We will do 360 degree 360 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय 12, ठीक है, तो ये कितना आएगा 330 डिग्री। ओके, सो 12 नंबर्स है। सो एक नंबर पे जब वो मूव करेगा 30 डिग्री, अगर 12 से 2 पे आएगा तो 60 डिग्री, 12 से 3 पे आएगा तो 30 30 30 90 डिग्री। दिस इज क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू हाउ 30 डिग्री कम्स?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, what is the measure of the angle when the minute hand has moved 1 minute past 12? Only 1 minute. देखो 5 minutes का 30 डिग्री है. The 5 minutes is 30 डिग्री. So 1 minute का कितना होगा? 30 divided by 5, that is 6 डिग्री. Okay, दूसरा मेथड. So total कितना minutes है इसमें? One full rotation.
360 degree.
I'm asking how many minutes are there? Full
60
rotation.
minutes.
60 minutes. So what we will do? 360 divided by 60. So it will give angle for 1 minute. So we'll get 6 degree. So this is another way. Okay. So answer is 6 degree. Now this is the assignment question. So I will post through Google Classroom, right? And you have to complete and you have to submit through Google Classroom only. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.